Okay, I've been doing some work to this case motor. I got it cleaned up. Well, this side of the motor is a lot cleaner than it was, and I cut this shaft off. It was quite a bit longer, but you have to get this. This is called a Lovejoy. It goes on here like this, and then this here goes on, and then it bolts up to right here. This thing right here does. This bolts right here. But anyway, it's a hair too long. I'm gonna have to grind it a little bit. And I got a new grinding wheel. Now, why don't you come out here and do some grinding? And this is my friend's tractor, but anyway, he really liked that. I cleaned that up. So he suggested that I take the breather off of it and the front cover, and see if it had any dirt down in those fins on that head on the other side. Yeah, it did. It's pretty thick on there, so I got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna be trying to scrape this stuff off of here with the screwdriver and stuff. I get that all off, and I like to use turpentine. It smells good to clean it up with in a paintbrush, but I've been scratching on it and trying to get dirt off. But anyway, I'll check back with you guys with another video, and after I get it all cleaned up and put my Lovejoy on there so that it'll mate up to the motor. Alright, thanks for watching.